Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just reviewing a truck, we're analyzing a legend. This is the 2027 RAM Power Wagon, the undisputed king of the factory-built, heavy-duty off-roader. It's not a trim package, it's a purpose-built tool for domination where the pavement ends. For the new model year, RAM has taken this icon and honed it further, blending brutal capability with surprising refinements. We've got all the official details straight from RAM, so let's dive into what makes the Power Wagon a titan. Looking at the 2027 Power Wagon, its intent is unmistakable. It's built on the heavy-duty RAM 2500 frame, but its posture is uniquely aggressive. The imposing grille, now with available LED surround lighting, houses rugged steel front bumpers with integrated, massive recovery hooks and a standard 12,000-pound capacity-worn Xeon winch. It rides high on specifically tuned off-road shocks, with pronounced fender flares covering its standard 33-inch all-terrain tires mounted on unique 17-inch wheels. Key identifiers are the bold, Power Wagon decals and the red tow hooks. The bed features Rambox cargo management system options and numerous trail-rated accessory mounting points. This isn't just for looks, every vent, snorkel, and skid plate serves a purpose. Its approach, departure, and breakover angles are best in class, and its presence is pure, unapologetic capability. Inside, the Power Wagon masterfully blends rugged utility with modern RAM luxury. You sit commandingly high in standard heavy-duty vinyl or available premium leather-trimmed seats, both designed to be durable and easy to clean. The centerpiece is RAM's acclaimed Uconnect system, featuring a standard 12-inch touchscreen that's both intuitive and glove-friendly. The dashboard, center console, and doors are built with robust materials to withstand the rigors of off-road use. You'll find ample interior storage, including under-seat compartments, for gear. Despite its trail-ready focus, available comforts like a heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, and a stunning 19-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system ensure supreme comfort on any journey. It's a cabin that tells you you're in a serious tool, but one that doesn't punish you for using it. This is the heart of the beast. For 2027, the Power Wagon is powered by the legendary 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine, delivering a stout 410 horsepower and a crushing 429 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a robust TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission. But the drivetrain is where the magic happens. It features a 2-speed electronic transfer case for true 4x4 capability, and, most crucially, front and rear electronic locking differentials and a disconnecting front sway bar. This trifecta, known as the Power Wagon's off-road arsenal, allows it to articulate over obstacles like nothing else in its class. The factory-equipped 12,000-pound Warn winch is powered directly from the engine bay. While fuel economy isn't its talking point, its capability is unparalleled. A maximum towing capacity of 17,240 pounds and a payload of 4,440 pounds, proving it's not just an off-roader, but a legitimately hard-working truck. The 2027 Power Wagon integrates technology that serves its mission. The 12-inch Uconnect 5 system offers off-road specific pages, displaying pitch, roll, wheel articulation, and driveline status. It includes integrated trail maps and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 360-degree surround view camera system is invaluable for picking lines on tight trails. On the safety front, it comes equipped with advanced features like adaptive cruise control with stop, lane keep assist, and trailer reverse steering control via the Pro Trailer Hitch Assist system, making complex maneuvers with a trailer surprisingly easy. The technology isn't gimmicky. It's all about enhancing control, awareness, and capability in every situation. The 2027 RAM Power Wagon exists in a category of one. It's a factory-engineered off-road masterpiece that requires no modifications, backed by a full factory warranty, while still being a supremely capable tow rig and daily driver. It successfully merges raw, mechanical off-road prowess, those lockers and the disconnecting sway bar, with the comfort, technology, and refinement expected from a modern RAM. For the enthusiast who needs a truck that can scale a boulder field at dawn and comfortably cruise the highway home at dusk, there is simply no other competitor. It is the ultimate expression of go anywhere, do anything confidence. If you demand the ultimate in factory spec off-road capability from a heavy-duty truck, the decision begins and ends right here. What do you think? Does the Power Wagon's legendary mechanical off-road tech make it the ultimate adventure truck, or would you prioritize towing capacity over rock crawling? Let's debate in the comments below. If you want more deep dives into the most capable trucks and SUVs on the planet, make sure you're part of the channel. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let us know what extreme vehicle we should feature next. Thanks for watching, and remember, conquer responsibly.